Instagram has finally released a built-in repost feature on their app. Want to learn how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to repost posts and reels on Instagram, and where to find your reposts after you've shared them. Now let's get started. To get access to the repost feature on Instagram, ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and check out your home feed. Below regular feed posts, you'll see a repost icon between the comment icon and the share button. Tap the repost icon to share this post to your followers in their home feeds and in the dedicated repost section of your profile. If you want to add a comment with your repost, tap your profile icon that pops up on the left. Type in your comment, then tap Save. Your comment will appear floating over the posts when your followers see it in their feeds. When scrolling the Reels tab, the repost icon will appear on the right side with the like, comment, and share buttons. This works the same as in your home feed. Tap the repost icon to repost a reel, and tap your profile icon on the left to add a comment if you like. Once you've reposted something on Instagram, your profile will gain a new tab. Tap the repost icon on your profile to see all the content you've previously reposted. If you change your mind and want to undo a repost, hold down the thumbnail and tap Delete Repost. That's all it takes to use the new repost feature on Instagram. Want to learn how to repost videos on TikTok? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.